Finding a bag that actually looks good and still fits everything is harder than it should be, until now. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and my husband was in desperate need of a bag that was stylish, could fit everything he needed, and was still comfortable to carry around every single day. And this messenger bag from OIWAS checked all the boxes. As soon as he started using it, it made carrying all of his daily essentials so much easier while still looking really sleek and put together. One of the first things that I notice is how spacious it is. I love that it has multiple compartments so everything stays organized and easy to grab when needed. The material feels really durable and water resistant, which is perfect for busy days on the go. The adjustable shoulder strap is also super comfortable, especially when carrying it for long periods of time. I love that it's lightweight, and I really notice that the modern design gives it such a clean and professional look while still being casual enough for my husband to use for any occasion. And that's just my point of view.